Welcome to Amed, a place about slowing down, exploring the details and creating connections above and below the surface. For more than 30 years, Eco Dive has been part of this community. Founded by John Huxley, Eco Dive became the first full-service dive center in Amed, helping shape the local diving scene from the very beginning. But Eco Dive is more than just a dive center. It is a team deeply connected to the place they call home. Many members of the crew are from Amed and the surrounding villages, with years and sometimes decades of experience sharing the underwater world they know so well. Today, while many dive centers compete through lower prices, Eco Dive continues to focus on what matters most: safety, quality, and time. With small groups, relaxed instruction, and personal guidance, every diver receives the attention they need. Whether you are taking your first breaths underwater, improving your skills, or exploring Amed as an experienced diver, everyone is welcome. Because Amed offers a different kind of diving. Instead of only searching for the biggest animals, this is a place where you discover the details: colorful reefs, unique macro life, wrecks, walls, and unexpected encounters. From beginner dives to advanced adventures, Amed offers a world beneath the surface that keeps divers coming back. Discover Amed with Eco Dive Bali. Experience relaxed diving, personal service, and a team that has been sharing this special place with divers from around the world for more than 3 decades. Eco Dive Bali. Your adventure starts here.